Hey, I'm Melissa Cookston, and today we're going to be cooking my favorite thing in the world. We're going to cook baby back ribs. Dry, of course, that is Memphis style, what we're known for. First, we're going to start by making our dry rub. Now, these are 2.75 loin back ribs, and what makes them a loin back rib is the strip of loin that goes across the top. Now, I'm not gonna do a whole lot of trim work to these because these are for my family. Now, when you're cooking for a family, you don't wanna throw anything away. So these are not competition, but for the backyard. So the first thing we wanna do is take the membrane off the back of these ribs. Now, I have all these little long bony fingers. My mama thought I'd be good at playing the piano. No, I am not. I'm really good at taking the membranes off ribs. That's all you gotta do right there. It is all off in one piece. Now, if you don't have these long skinny fingers that I have, feel free to get you a paper towel. That does help remove the membrane. It gives you a nice surface to stick to. But me, no, I'm just gonna remove it all in one piece. Now, next thing you wanna do is get some of your dry rub that we made earlier and put it on the top and the bottom of these beautiful slabs ribs. You see all the marbling in these ribs? That's what you're looking for. Don't be afraid of fat when you're choosing your ribs. Meaty ribs, yes, but you want some of that intramuscular marbling in your ribs. All that will render out, leaving you nice moist ribs. Now you'll see I am not afraid to season. That's where all the flavor is. Now, I'll tell you a little bit about Memphis ribs. Memphis is known for dry ribs. A little bit of a misconception. We love our wet ribs in Memphis. I like them both ways. Sometimes I'll get them muddy, which means that you put sauce on, put extra dry rub on. That just gives them a lot of flavor. And knowing I'm from the Mississippi Delta, I'm not afraid of flavor. Beautiful. I put them on at 250 degrees, just naked for about 2 hours. Oh, look how pretty. Those are beautiful. I do wrap to color, so this is exactly the color I want right here. So we're going to take these beauties out and wrap. I'm going to put a layer of brown sugar down. Another layer of rub. And I'm going to flip my ribs over onto that. I'm going to repeat that same thing on the back. I'm going to give them a nice little bath of honey. So now I'm going to create an envelope. The important thing about creating an envelope is you do not want to overlap the sides. So you'll notice as I bring this top portion over, I'm going to fold back where it would overlap, okay? Now, having done that, I'm going to take my apple juice, pour a little bit in the side, and quickly fold. not letting the apple juice escape. Now my ribs are ready to go back in the smoker. So our ribs have been in the foil for approximately 2 hours, so we're gonna go ahead and check them. They should be about ready. I'm just gonna check the bones, and they are pulling nicely from the bones, so they are ready. Now a dry rib, we simply just add more rub, giving it a nice little flavor pop. And that's what makes a Memphis style dry rub rib.